I'm Emily Cappiello with the Gourmet Insider, and I'm at Taco Bay, Oyster Bay, with Chef Peter Vandermeij, and he's going to show us how to amp up our Taco Tuesday, or Thursday, or any day, because tacos are always good. Chef, let's talk about some of the combinations you have going on here.
Thanks, Emily. So what we strive to do is to preserve an authentic Mexican-style street taco. Most well-known is the Carne Asada. Now that is grilled skirt steak. This is short rib, so it's got a little more juiciness, a little more tenderness. Now for our Carne Asada, we add a little sliced cabbage, and that comes with lime cilantro dressing. Now cabbage is what we prefer here because if you're gonna work with romaine or iceberg lettuce, it tends to wilt when you have heat on it.
Yep.
So the cabbage actually still gives you that crunchiness that you need when you're making a taco, especially at home.
Yep.
So what we add to that, I think you've had it before.
Yes.
It's our pumpkin seed salsa.
Yes, I might have overindulged in the pumpkin seed salsa.
So the pumpkin seed salsa is a puree of roasted pumpkin seeds, jalapenos, tomatillos. That gives it a really nice earthiness to balance out the acidity and the beef flavor. And then to garnish, we just add a little pumpkin seeds. Gives it a little more texture.
Makes for a great crunch and a great bite.
Absolutely. So we'll switch gears to our chicken tinga, probably the second most popular street taco in Mexico. Tinga sauce is, once again, chilies, vinegar, roasted vegetables. It's basically a stew of chicken. So don't overthink this. There's nothing that is overly complicated. Make your stew, throw in the chicken, you're gonna get flavor. Again, our sliced cabbage, lime cilantro dressing. For this, we add our pickled onions. Now this is red onions, pickled in lime juice and sugar, and cotija cheese, which is a dried Mexican cheese.
So the pickled onions are pretty easy to make at home, right?
These are super easy.
Yeah.
Make a limeade, think of it something like that. Add sugar to lime juice, bring that up to a boil, slice red onions, throw it in,
Yep.
turn off the heat, and they will pickle. That's how easy pickling is. People are very intimidated by pickling. It's super simple.
Yeah, yeah.
Sugar, vinegar.
And delicious.
Yes.
All right, so what is our next taco?
Our next taco is Carnitas. It's a braised pork dish. We braise it in rosemary and orange. So we braise that overnight. It's very simple to do. Don't be scared of braising when you cook something. You just leave it in the oven overnight.
Can you leave it in the crock pot or does it have to be the oven?
No, you can leave it in a crock pot, oven, whatever slow cook method you want to use. It's very simple. Keep it in there and then wake up in the morning and it'll be delicious.
And all you can do is smell it and you're like, I wish this wasn't dinner, I wish this was actually breakfast.
Exactly. So now we have our pork carnitas, and now we do very simple pork carnitas because you already have a lot of fat with pork. So you just add something very refreshing. We add pico de gallo, chopped onions, chopped jalapeno, chopped tomatoes, a little cilantro, and some lime juice.
Oh, how fresh.
So that's your fresh carnitas. It's so simple. Once you've got it in the oven and done, you can just top it with anything you want.
So
now, our fish taco, we make this out of dogfish or shark. It's a very local fish around here, very popular, abundant. Everybody should be eating it because it's a byproduct of cod fishery. So it's a great option if you're very concerned about overfishing, marine life, things like that.
Yeah.
We braise this in coconut oil and grapeseed oil.
Oh, yum.
So, but you don't braise it overnight like the carnitas. You just braise it for 10-15 minutes till it's cooked through.
So this is a pretty easy Taco Tuesday. You can whip it up when you get home from work.
Very easy and very healthy for you.
Yeah.
You know, you don't take that braising oil and you put it on the taco. You strain it out so you have very tender fish. Lastly, we have a pineapple salsa that goes right on top.
Oh, delicious.
Grilled pineapple, jalapeno. So now we have our 4 tacos: carne asada, chicken tinga, carnitas, and our fish taco.